Wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here, and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
Alright people, so welcome back to the channel. So I really are going in here. Well, curry chicken pan stew, master. Fire eat very idle. We are blur pan thing. Pot na start boiling to put in dumpling we are dealing tonight. The knives come from over here, so I'm going to play domino and stuff where she might just wake up. They could play to wash up and stuff, but I need to wash this up to the flour, you know. Now, and this is the flour can share for everybody. Let's see, because I have a whole heap of water for the butter flour, so let's see what really I go on. Alright, so yeah. I guess the game suit Grizzle because Grizzle is going to have his drink of rum cream. I think I thought me a drink now because he had him come for. So, oh, you're going to mix it? You're hot, man. Sister is going to make the flour for me because the nails and I'm not cooking for me and Odin, so I don't know how that go already. All of this a bubble over here right now, except this is not boiling, so still waiting on that to start. Alright, so people, right now we wake up in the morning. My sister over here, so me there, some brother here, so which means it's a family vibe. And we watch 2 vlogs from my channel and from Jelani. Jelani Star TV. That's so bad. From Jelani, we're watching videos from Jelani Star Pro TV. No pro in there. Me keep on forgetting name. No pro. They used to have pro in there. Don't in take out the pro. Okay, so make sure you go check out this channel, guys. What happened? Oh, yeah. So yeah, let's go on. So this was the Father's Day vlog that we watched. That was done last year, Father's Day. So yeah. Now is your time. Jen, explain yourself. Why were you crying? Watch your dad take it floor. Another time now. Why were you crying in the vlog on Father's Day? You were just young then? Huh? Oh, okay. Dance speech done quick though. Done quick. Watch out. Diego. Can't talk. Watch out. Be a job. Watch out. Can't laugh but it do a good. That's a good one. You attack? Oh, just yeah, laugh about it now. Make sure this not repeat itself. Okay, guys, so we are. If they have what? Upstairs. I'm not sure if the one here have it. Alright, we're back outside. Oh, no, the one here don't have the escalator. No, that's the one at town. Yeah. So we're back outside. We are going to Fontana to see if they have a cambio where we can change money. To change money. Yeah. So basically that. And then we'll go back to the supermarket to get something. We'll go back at Starbucks. And then we're gonna look over Maxi. I want to find Iconic Mall. So that's what's up. And yeah, so me, JD, Shimai, just the 3 of us. Young people. Young, Odin all man. Odin all. So only young people outside. Hey, if Odin ever hear, only young people. Alright, so we are going to Fontana now. We're back at Starbucks today, Saturday. Alright, so welcome to Starbucks. All of that. Alright guys, so just starting the day off again with something from Starbucks. I saw somebody put up something yesterday. I think dragon fruit something. I'm gonna try that. Although yesterday I never get no enough coffee, so I'm wondering. Huh? No, we're not. Yeah, so JD is here and Sis Shima is here. Huh?
You'll be happy, Murdo.
Oh, you happy here now? Okay. So, yeah, that's what's going on. Shima has never had it before, so today she is going to try it for the first time. Alright? So, alright, so JD here in my vlog. Alright guys, so we came to the mall. They have a mall here in Montego Bay, but it's so small. Honestly, look. You see? Nobody in there. You look odd to me, and you just go look at this. This is just a little view of it. It's weird. And this is it and all of that. You have a view here, you enter here. Yeah. So we came to Fairview Mall, but yeah, Icon Fairview Mall. But you know, feel like my type of thing. Alright, you know, feel like my type of thing. Pull it out. It's full? Yep. See how you see I come off. So we came here. Where's the sign? We came here, but we feel, yeah, a man not supposed to feel so. And come here, get my brick. Which one? The man red. I want sick. Me don't wonder if him just thing there now.
Even if you want security, not figure out.
So we came to Fairview Mall, but alright, we'll go home now. Alright people, so I'm back home, right? I'm back home, kind of chilling by myself right now. Alright, so a little rundown from the whole place that we went. The Icon Mall, the Icon Fairview Mall. It's not for me when I go just, and not for people like me where I go walk and I feel look for me go buy. You understand? And also not for people like me on a small budget. I feel like uno out there on a large budget. You understand? Not for people like me, because that mall, people are what they were looking at us, they were watching us like we are stray, we are come look. First of all, you can't eat, you can't drink, you can't, it come like you couldn't even look too hard. So you can't eat, you can't drink. What if you can't do? You can't, so much rules right there. I have to find out from my sister what are some of the rules. You can't, no sir, mall, I want to rules sir. No. And then you're going there, we were the only persons there, like persons walking in. So if we were supposed to purchase something, we would be the only person there doing business at the time. So can you imagine? We were the only persons there, we weren't purchasing anything. So that means they are literally making no money right there. And why create something where it's just for bougie people? Once in a blue moon, bougie people is going to come and shop. Huh? Yeah, and when we got there was this Indian lady with long hair and heels, 10 well cut, and just looking at us. And I walked up to her and I asked her, hey, I saw the rule, but what if we have like our drink in our hand, because we got Starbucks? What if we got our drink in our hand and we're not drinking? Can we come in with it? So I guess she said, or yeah, or not for me, not for me, people, not for me. I gotta check up and see what everybody is going with. See everybody here chilling. Then I watch one comedian. Everybody's well comfortable. Riz, well, you're living your best life? Huh? Or you're living close to your best life? Close to what you say, JD?
AC on, let's see that movie.
AC on in a what them name again?
Lazy boy.
Lazy boy. and them a chill. Sister over there, so and them a watch TV. Well, this is something to do regularly, yeah. I'm just on the AC and the lazy bird. Alright, I'm just here, like, honestly. We had some mac and cheese this morning, just a little bit left in there now. And yeah.